Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to today's math lesson. Before we begin, I'd like you to check for the following math materials. You will need your math workbook number 2, a pencil, and for some of the warm-up math activities, you're going to need a whiteboard and a dry erase marker. So if you would like to go and get those materials now, if you don't have them with you, pause and then return. Okay, so today for Chapter 7, we are doing Lesson 6, and it is reading bar graphs. Reading bar graphs. All right, let's move on. Okay, and of course, we are working on the essential question, how do I make and read graphs? Okay, so let's go to our first problem of the day, and this might be where it's handy to have your whiteboard. You're going to use this number line to help you if you need to. And they see these 4 numbers, 89, 85, 96, 92. I would like you to put them in order, pause, and come back to check your work. And here are your answers. Okay, now our next, wrong one. Our next little work here is look at the favorite zoo bar graph. Okay, and they have a tiger, bear, and a penguin. They would like you to decide which tally marks show how many people voted for a bear as their favorite animal. So if you would like to pause and choose your answer, go ahead. You can write it on your whiteboard and then come back and check. And the answer was 8. People chose the bear. Okay, and now for our investigation for the day. This is also something you could write your answers on and then check when you come back. So this is kinds of dogs. And as you can see, there's the retriever, a Dalmatian, and a poodle. All right, so I'm going to ask you the following questions. And if you need to pause after each question to write down your answer on your whiteboard, that would be perfect. And then you can come back after we've done all 3 and check your answers. Okay, so the first one, how many people chose the poodle? Pause it and come back. How many more people chose the Dalmatian rather than the retriever? And which dog received 2 fewer votes than the retriever? Okay, so if you want to pause and then check your answers, what you put down, and then come back and I will show you the correct responses. Okay, so how many people chose the poodle? 2. How many more people chose the Dalmatian rather than the retriever? Let's see, just one more. Okay, one more than the retriever. And which dog received 2 fewer votes than the retriever? Well, here's the retriever. All right, and we just look and see how many. There we go, there's 2. Okay. All right, so now what I would like you to do is get your math workbook, okay, and if you need to pause, turn to page 541. And here are your directions. You're only going to need pencil for this. They would like you to write the number to show how many people chose each gym activity. Okay, that's for running, jumping jacks, and push-ups. Then they would like you to put the answer of how many people were surveyed in all. So pause now, complete the chart, and come back to see your answers. Okay, here we go. 1 for running, 6 for jumping jacks, 4 for push-ups, and in all, 11 people were surveyed. Okay. Now turn to the see and show. All right. The bars on a bar graph tell how many. Look where each bar ends and read the number. So we've talked about this. So this for us is a review. Go all the way down to the last and move right down. So 3 for Friday. So here is a helpful hint before we continue down here. The bars on a bar graph can be horizontal or vertical. This is horizontal, like a horizon when you look out at the shore, when you go down the shore to see the beach. Okay, and the ocean. Vertical, think of vertical as poles that might hold up a roof. Okay, all right, so they would like you to, how many for Friday, how many put Saturday as their favorite, and how many put Sunday. Now, use the graph to answer the questions. How many people chose Sunday? How many people chose Friday or Saturday? Think carefully about that. Not and, or. How many people chose Friday or Saturday? All right, let's check our answers. You ready? Okay, and here we go. Yep. Actually, I would have put, well, I could see why they didn't choose both. They chose or. So, yes, the Friday plus the Friday plus the Saturday equals the 8 number of people. Okay? All right. Now, let's look at why are the graphs in this lesson called bar graphs? Okay, so this skipped. So I want you to think about that. Why are they called a bar graph? But let's now look at what comes next here. All right. They would like us to use, okay, let's see. Something's not moving here. Let me do this. Okay. All right. So that's what they wanted, questions 1 and 2. Now let's go down to questions 3, 4, and 5, and you're still going to use that bar graph above to answer. Which day has 1 less vote than Friday? Pause and write your answer. Number 4. Which day has 2 more votes than Friday? Pause and write your answer. How many people were surveyed? Pause and write your answer. Here are the answers. Which day has 1 less than Friday? Sunday. Which day has 2 more votes than Friday? Saturday. How many people were surveyed? 10. Okay, let's continue. Now we can go and discuss, why are the graphs in this lesson called bar graphs? What do you think? Tell your adult helper. That's right, because when they're colored in, it looks like a bar. Now, whether the bar goes horizontally or vertically depends which way it's being filled in. But when they are completed, it looks like bars. Very good. All right, so we're going to use the graph to answer the following questions. I will read them. You can pause, put your answer in, and come back and check. This is a survey about a favorite sandwich, and here are the choices: peanut butter, turkey, and ham. How many people chose turkey? How many more people chose peanut butter than turkey? Did more people choose ham or turkey? Okay, let's check. All right, 3 more people. 3 people chose turkey. 5 more people chose peanut butter rather than turkey, and more people chose ham. That's number 8. Okay. Number 9, you're using the same graph. Which kind of sandwich is liked better than ham? Did fewer people choose peanut butter or turkey? How many people were surveyed? All right, if you are still not finished, pause, keep the pause on, and then come back and check when you're done. Here are your answers. Peanut butter was liked better than ham. Fewer people chose turkey than peanut butter. And how many people were surveyed in all? 16. It really almost doesn't look like that many people because the way the chart is going. All right. Let's look at our problem solving. A class made a bar graph about what color pencils they used. I'm having difficulty talking today. Which pencil color got less votes than green? Pause and complete your answer. And if you put blue, you got it correct. Number 13, problem solving, or 13. Okay, here we go. I'm going to read it to you. Which kind of cacti has more votes than hedgehog? Isn't that cool? Hedgehog is a name of a cactus. How do you know? Okay, let's look. There's saguaro, prickly pear, and hedgehog. All right. Which type? Let me get my writing tools ready. Which got more votes? All right. That's right. Saguaro, I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, has more votes than hedgehog. How do I know? The votes are longer than hedgehog votes. Okay. My goodness. My fingers are still on vacation. Okay, boys and girls, you can pause this and print this in your book, and I will see you with any questions you may have, or we will continue with practice on bar graphs and any other graph. Okay? Good job. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.